Hello guys, I'm Nancy. I'm in our extrusion workshop. Today Elvis and I will show you the extrusion production process.
Hello guys, let's go! Our extrusion workshop has a high automation level, so fewer processes will be needed. The first step is the silicone milling or PVC milling. A silicone or PVC through the processing of the milling machine to meet the standard of follow-up production. Then you can put the silicone and PVC and the LED strip into the machine together for extrusion.
What's the difference of the silicone and the PVC?
The process of silicone extrusion and PVC extrusion offer little differences. We will heat the PVC and then cool it to solidify, but the silicone extrusion is just the reverse.
Fine, I get it.
In addition, at the end of the production line, the operator cuts the finished product to the required length according to the order. After the test is passed, it will be transferred to the parting department.
Elvis, thank you for explaining the extrusion production process to us. Remember to follow our account. Next time we will go to the final link, packaging and storage.
Bye bye!